Hey everybody, Doof Senpai, #1 senpai in the world. Yeah. Alright, so today I'm gonna be going over this app, Magic Poser. So I found this app just browsing around the Play Store, and I found this app. Looks interesting. So basically what you can already see is you get like a basic anime character, and then you could change the skin color and like the app sounds, you can make a pose. So see, like, yeah, woo wee, man, look at noodle arms right here. Actually, I wonder if I could do them both at the same time. Nope. But yeah, so this app, I thought, when I first played around with it, I thought it was pretty cool. Cause yeah, look at that. Oh boy. So the only thing that I wish they could have done is that they could have made it so that you could thrust your hips forward. Or can you? Oh, I guess you could. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Hostess, man. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. So I was playing around with this a little bit, and I actually saved some of the poses. Maybe I'll show you later. But yeah, man, this app is is pretty funny. So yeah, let's just play around with it, see what the heck we end up with. But as you can tell, it's pretty neat, man. Yeah, so you could do all kinds of stuff. Let's see. I wonder if I can make him bend over. Hold on. So one of the cool things, you could rotate. So oh yeah, there it is. And you got all kinds of ways you could bend and move your character when you're doing this. So let's see. Oh yeah, there it is. Let's see, hold on, let's see, let's see, can I rotate this? Oh no, that's as far as it'll go. Oh, but I can do it like this. Alright, so, yeah, it's a pretty fun app, man. Like, look at this. So right now, I could save it and share it with the people on this app. You could actually look at other people's poses. But yeah, let's just play around with it. Actually, hold on. Let me try something. I wonder if I could do, like, let's see if I can make him do a Jojo pose. Caesar! I'm gonna try to make him do a Jojo pose, man. So let's see. I want to rotate back. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so this is kind of what I come up with for the Jojo pose. I mean, it looks kind of similar to it. But yeah, alright, so let's add some stuff to it now. Let's see, let's add some hair, right? Woo, hello. Yeah, sure, why not? And then, oh yeah, that's right, you also get currency. I forgot about that. And they call it wombat coins. Okay. But yeah, apparently you should be able to buy more hair and more stuff. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see. I thought I saw. Let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. Asset store. Oh, but I can't do that yet. And then you can add more people if you want. You could add what was it? Furniture. Oh, whoops. You could add Furniture, yep, there we go. Toilet, hey, all right. Yeah, that doesn't look weird at all. Looks so natural. And then, all right, let's put some clothes on my man right here. Let's put some clothes on my man. So okay, so this is the only clothes I have. So that's fine. And then let's change. All right, my guy's looking kind of pale right now, so let's change. Let's change his skin color, man. Let's see, color. All right, so you got so you can make him purple if you want. Let's see, yep, you can make him purple. But let's go with the skin presets. All right, that's kind of orange. That's still kind of orange. Let's see, how about this? Okay, I think that's fine. And then you could also change the hair color. So for the hair color, how about green? No. Oh, let's just stick with red. Yeah, stick with red. I think that looks pretty decent. So when you preview, that's what he looks like, man. So it's not a perfect Jojo pose. If I played around for a little longer, I could probably get a little better. But yeah, that's what I come up with, man. So yeah, let's save it. Whoops, Jojo. So it's done. Check. Save. All right. And then once I have it saved, hold on. So let me just exit real quick. So these are all the other people's stuff that people have come up with. So let's take a look, man. All right, so like this one, right? Oh, I can play around with it. Oh, that's neat. So yeah, you could share it with, let's see now. Let's see, discard changes. Yeah, I thought that was kind of neat that you could share, share like the weird stuff you've created. Yeah, like these are the ones that I've created. Hang on. Let's see, I should be able to share this, right? Yeah, share, pose cloud, name your pose, Jojo, share my pose privately now, category all, publish. Publish. There we go. Waiting for review. Huh, I didn't know. Okay, all right. I guess I could kind of understand why they need to review it because I guess some people may make poses that's a little too provocative, if you know what I mean. But anyways, yep. Yeah, so these are all the stuff that you could buy from the store. So you got weapons, you got furniture, models, different kind of models. So all of these ones are apparently the ones I have already. And then transportation. Oh, excuse me, guys. All right, so you could also buy, oh yeah, so the marine boat, that's the one I bought. Oh, Lamborghini, man, hell yeah, man, let's buy a Lamborghini. And I have no freaking idea how you get more of those wombat coins, so yeah, let's just keep going, looking through all this stuff that you could get. So clothing, right? Geometry, I'm not sure what the hell you're gonna do with this. Architecture, of course, always. Oh yeah, and they have tutorials, and they have tutorials on YouTube. So they have like a decent amount of stuff for you to go over, and oh, 2018, oh, this came out in 2018. Okay, but yeah, if you wanna pose like an expert, or if you wanna just use this for like artsy fartsy stuff or whatever that requires posing, I guess. And all the character models have like the only thing I wish that they kind of would let you customize also is the character facial expressions, because right now all of them just look like a dead anime character with, you know, those dead eyes staring, glaring at you, you know. But overall, I think it's pretty neat, man, because you actually get to move around the character a decent amount. Oh, I can check in. Oh, is that how you get wombat coins? Oh, that's how you get wombat coins. You check in every day. Yeah, so it's pretty neat. You could play around with it. There's stuff you could buy, and I just learned that you could check in every day to get them wombat coins. so you could purchase, you know, more stuff to play around with. And yes, yeah, let me just go over some of the other poses I did. Okay, so this one, yeah, so I was just messing around. This guy, I call it the bird, obvious reasons. And then I also got, yeah, I think this was like the first one where, this is, like when I was first messing with this, messing with the app, this was the first one I came up with. Yeah. And this one, I have no idea what was going on with this one. But but I don't know, I thought the pose looked pretty funny, so I saved it. Again, yeah, you could, man, I mean, the characters are pretty limber. You could make them do all kinds of things, man. Whoops. And then this one, I'm pretty proud of this one, man. I'm pretty proud of this one. I mean, the pose looks really simple, but this really goes, like, well with my idea. So I have this really crazy movie idea, right? I told all my friends about it. But basically, in Titanic, what really happened was that Rose, like when she was floating on that door, she actually blew the whistle to get people to kill Jack. So Jack died. So after Jack died, he went training with King Kai, and then after he's dead, right? And then he comes back to life. He has a power of Titanic. So this is where my inspiration came from, man. So Jack has the power of Titanic, and he's summoning Titanic so he could use it against Rose to get his revenge, right? Yeah, so that's just my little crazy movie sequel idea. I mean, I think that would be pretty cool if like Jack came back to life and then has the power of Titanic and started, you know, getting his revenge on old lady Rose. But yeah, so that's where this came from. And actually, yeah, I named it Titanic's Revenge. Or Titanic Jack's Revenge. Yeah. So just a little tad bit up there. But yeah, I thought the app was pretty neat. It's pretty cool. For those that's creative and has more patience than I do, by all means, you know, give it a try. I mean, the app is free. I don't think you need to connect to the internet to use it. Yeah. Give it a try. See if you like it. Personally, I thought it was pretty fun, man. And maybe I'll, you know, do more poses, post more of it, and see how it goes. Like even this one got 2.2K views. Holy moly! And ooh, I can't even look at it because I need to buy stuff. Okay, all right, that's fine. But yeah. So, you know, neat little app. I think it's pretty good, pretty fun. And yeah, give it a try. So I'm done using this app for now. So let's wrap it up. Doof Senpai, again, #1 senpai in the world. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And actually, by all means, check out the Jojo post that I posted on the cloud pose or whatever it's called, on the Magic Poser, if you want to check it out. Let's see if there's a link. Maybe I'll leave a link. But yeah, overall, app is pretty neat, pretty fun. Yeah, give it a try. Okay. So yeah, I'm out of here. Peace. Bye.